Jeff Walker, who is one of my mentors, my favorite mentor, really. Don't tell him, he'll like blow up his head or something. But he's my favorite mentor for teaching me how to build not only an online business, actually it doesn't even matter if it's online or offline business, but teaching me the principles behind knowing how to make money by honoring people, by serving people, by giving them what they want. And he teaches the psychological benefits or the psychological reasons behind why buyers buy and why we actually love buying. There are certain psychological triggers, and he teaches all of these. And the really cool part is he's actually doing a free seminar. It's going to be 3 days, like 4 hours each, like massive learning. It's going to be an online live masterclass, but it's only going to be for those 3 days, and then it's going to be gone for a year. So you definitely don't want to be sitting a year from now going, oh, I wish I'd started working on that work at home thing, or I wish I'd taken this information to build my business. You want to be doing it now so that next year you're looking back going, oh my God, thank you, Amanda, for sharing this with me, because it has changed my world. He is going to teach you not only how to launch a product or a service, but how to actually make your customers so incredibly impressed with you that they go out of their way to promote your business, your products, your services for free, because they just love you that much. They know that you give that much value that they just want to tell everybody. And that's the kind of thing you're going to be learning. So head on over to amandavandergulik.com / I forgot my thing. amandavandergulik.com / how to launch. Just all together, all small, how to launch. And it'll take you directly to the sign up page. Now, sorry, car again. As it's an online live session and the technology is going to get a little wonky when it gets a lot of people on board, they're probably going to have to shut down the amount of people they can have. So I want to make sure that you get access to it really soon. So go right now and grab it. It's free. And then you can fill out your calendar and mark your timings and all that. And have a notebook with you and a good solid pen and a pencil. You're going to want to take notes. The information that you learn from Jeff during this product launch masterclass are the things that help me get known and get asked to be featured on places like Radio Disney and in the Costco Connections magazine. I got asked as a guest speaker for Seneca College. You know, it's these things that have got me onto online summits and workshops and parenting shows. So this is really important stuff, and a lot of people actually use all of the information that he teaches in these free sessions and make a massive amount of money. But of course, results not typical. You have to actually do the work, but the strategies are solid. And if you get a chance to take a sneak peek inside his full course, definitely do that. I've been a PLF owner since 2010. I've never regretted it. I am so grateful, and he treats his owners really well. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to give you a quick heads up. Just go to amandavandergulik.com / how to launch and grab your seat before they're all taken. All right, I'll talk to you soon, and then head on over here and I'll show you the platform that I actually use to launch my businesses. The website platforms, the email platforms, all of that. You can see that in this video here. I'll see you at the masterclass. I'll join you as well. Bye.